Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making this out of this world pumpkin pie. If you're used to making this recipe on the back of this can, you are in for a treat today. So let's get started.
Slaving for days, just give me one shot. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night.
Start off by melting 8 tablespoons of butter in a small saute pan. Keep it on low and twirl the butter for about 10 minutes until it becomes a deep, dark brown color. Alright, so after you brown your butter, go ahead and pour it out into a measuring cup, and it should say exactly half of what it was before. So that was a 4-ounce stick of butter, and now it only says 2 ounces. So all the water has evaporated, and now we have all this nice toffee, delicious smelling goodness. Take a bowl, and you're gonna mix this brown butter with a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and a 1/2 cup of regular sugar. Wow, I cannot express how wonderful this smells. If this were a perfume, I would be wearing it. Now go ahead and finish off this custard pie with 2 eggs, a little teaspoon of vanilla extract, of course your pumpkin pie spice, and a little salt. If your butter was unsalted, you would add the salt, but if it were salted butter, omit the salt. Lastly, 1.5 cups of 50/50 is going in, and of course we have the pumpkin puree. This is a small can, 15 ounces. Make sure the can says just pure pumpkin puree and doesn't have any additives inside. Now that that's all mixed together, I'm gonna put it in this pie crust. You guys probably think that I made this, but I didn't. I bought this. This comes with 2 circles, and I just pressed them together and rolled them out so they'll fit my pie pan. I would typically use frozen pie crust, but of course, since Thanksgiving is a few days away, they were out. I'm gonna bake this pie for 15 minutes at 425, and after 15 minutes, you're gonna cover the crust so that it doesn't get too brown. Lower the temperature to 350 and bake it for 40 minutes. I'm so excited! It's finally ready. All right, as you can see, you go like that. It has a little jiggle to it. That's okay. It's gonna set as it cools. The perfect pumpkin pie. It's absolutely picture perfect. And now for the best part, taste test time. Now I'm doing a big no-no right now. You're not supposed to eat this pumpkin pie piping hot out of the oven. This should sit at least an hour before you cut into it. That way it'll firm up a bit and not be like all mushy like this. You know me, I cannot wait. Hot. Oh. This tastes really deep, like caramel and toffee put together with like pumpkin and spices. It's out of this world. 1,000 times better than the recipe and back of this can. This tastes very plain when you use this recipe, but this one, it has like a really deep flavor. You can taste the butter. It's very buttery and delicious, especially with that crust. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you try it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.
Long days and we work long nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights. Slaving night, works days, works night. Slaving day, slaving night.